Hi Pedro, nice to have you here.
Hi Simon, thank you.
I think you have some exciting product news to share. So what product have you been working on recently?
We are launching SMARC i.MX 8 and Plus.
Who is this product built for? Who were the customers you had in mind when you were building these things?
This is a product that we have in mind the teams that need second source. So basically, if you are a customer that already have a product in volume, or your needs to have more than one source in your SMARC, this is for you.
Do I understand it correctly that this is, for example, if I'm a customer having a SMARC-based product out there and I want to change to Toradex, this would be an option for me?
This would be a suitable option for you to have the quality of Toradex in your products.
What about compatibility? I'm hearing a lot about SMARC and compatibility. How do you tackle that part?
So SMARC is an open standard that brings compatibility to several products, but still you have some things that can be different among them. We are doing in a way that most products in the market are fulfilled with this product.
That's exciting. So what about features? What would you highlight with our SMARC i.MX 8 and Plus?
This is important to highlight that this comes with a chip that's from NXP, i.MX 8 and Plus. This is a mature chip, and we have like 4 cores, A53, NPU, 3D GPU, and it's available right now for you to purchase.
That's exciting. So what about the features? Can you give us a couple of highlights there?
This comes with the i.MX 8 and Plus, as I said. This comes with a mature chip from NXP, a chip that brings generic power computing to good performance to the market, and comes with 4 cores, A53, NPU, and GPU.
That's amazing. Thank you very much. It was great to hear about the SMARC i.MX 8 and Plus from Toradex. Hi Colin. I think you've been working some exciting things here. Can you share a little bit about what have you been doing?
Absolutely. Interesting indeed. I've been using our SMARC module, i.MX 8 and Plus, and applying it to different third-party or competitor carrier boards. And as you can see, we have an output which shows that it is indeed working.
Why have you done this?
I've done this to actually show that no matter what carrier boards you are using in the SMARC section, you're actually able to use our Toradex module and apply it to your existing carrier board.
Wow, that's interesting. Can you give us some insight into what kind of products or what brands have you been using for this experiment?
Sure. So we have 4 carrier boards here. For one, we have Ronetics, we have an Advantix board, iWave, which is also a well-known brand, and Congatec. Now the Congatec one is quite a large eval board, and we are using a ATX power source here, which is to symbolize, yeah, you can even use it as a real industrial large-scale PC.
That's really cool. So now, if I would be a customer coming into this ecosystem, what would you recommend to me? How shall I start? Let's assume I want to use our SMARC i.MX 8 and Plus. What carrier board shall I take?
What I would recommend here is to actually use one of our SMARC development boards, or if you don't have a SMARC module by itself yet, I would recommend actually getting the whole kit so you can develop your own application as you desire. If you already do have an existing carrier board, then just get the module. Obviously, you will have Toradex quality then, and the support of us to even port you and help you migrate to the better quality of Toradex.
That sounds amazing. Thank you very much, Colin.
Thank you, Simon.